Today I want to share with you a beginner DIY. Let's go ahead and begin with these candle holders. Back then, back in the day, everything at Dollar Tree used to be $1. Not anymore. I went ahead and painted these ones silver. They were black. And last week I went to Dollar Tree and I found these candle holders. And I like them because they are actually kind of like they change colors. And I had these candles already, so I'm gonna be using those. The first thing that we want to do is to remove that tag. And the best way to do it is using a hair dryer so the heat can make your life easier. I don't like to wait, so I was trying to take it off, on and off, but just take your time. So here I'm going to go ahead and use I want to call it a knife. It's not a knife, but I'm going to use this one just to help me with the process. And again, here I should have waited a little longer, but I don't like to wait. So I'm going to go ahead and do what I was supposed to do with the hair dryer and apply more heat. After the sticker is off, there is some glue remaining, so I'm going to go ahead and use some alcohol. And this sheet is a nails sheet, or whatever you want to call it. It's lint free. You don't have to use that. That's just what I had on hand. And I'm going to go ahead and spray it with alcohol several times just to make sure that I get most of the glue. It doesn't need to be perfect because you won't be able to see the bottom part, but this is what I got so far. Again, not perfect, but there you go. I will be using these blue small candles. I had them already. Set the candle holder on top of the other candle holder, and I'm gonna clean it up a little bit here, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some glue. This one is hot glue, and I'm just gonna apply it on some parts just so the candle holder can stay in place. Okay, this DIY is super duper easy, but it does make a change once you add a candle holder on top of a candle holder, if you will. And like I said, I had the wall candle holder for a while, and I just wanted to see something new. So this is how it looks so far. You can also hot glue the bottom of the candle. I decided not to do that. Now I'm thinking I probably should have, but I didn't. This is how it looks without the candle inside. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in so you can see the difference. And of course the candle is not on, so that's what we have so far. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and of course this is just for decoration purposes. I don't plan to leave it on for a long time, maybe just for a little bit or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks with the lights on and how it looks with the lights off. Don't forget that sometimes crafting really relaxes you, and it's just, I don't know, for me, it just takes me to another world. I really enjoy it. I haven't done a video like this in a long time, and I have to tell you that I do miss it quite a bit. Anyhow, I hope that you liked this easy DIY, and like always, I will see you next time. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.